we're going to stand on both sides of you, and we're going to hold them up like this, and then we're going to count to 3, okay? Okay, do you want to hold your mom's hand or your dad's hand? Oh.
Want to hold your daddy's hand? Great. Hold on. I'll pick it up.
You're going to look right at Hello Kitty again, okay?
Look at Mommy. Excited? You're done! Wow. Let's see, what do you think?
Wow.
Can,
Look at that. That's
can you
it.
smile? That's it, it's over.
Does it feel warm? It makes me feel a little bit better.
Let me see. Do you like it? You want to see in the mirror?
Oh my.
Oh my goodness. Do you like that? Did it hurt? Didn't hurt? A little bit? Oh. Good job, honey.